So why report writing session is important for all of you? Let's understand the basics of report writing. In during your MBA, you will do summer internship, and then after summer internship, you need to submit your report. And after MBA, you will make many reports, and during MBA, you will also work on different types of your research papers. So while working for research papers and while working for a report, you should be clear with the basics of report writing. If you don't know the basics of report writing, it will be very difficult for you to go through the process of along with the faculty to finalize your report. Either you will get less grades, or the faculty will tell you again and again to revise your report. So today here in this session, I'm telling you certain basics of your report writing, so that you can improve. At the same time, this session is helpful for both MBA level, at BBA level, or after MBA. Many people go for writing research papers, but the basic font size, basic adjustments, margins, they don't know about those things, or they ignore those things. So today in this session, we will cover the basics of report writing. As you can see on my screen, I'm not teaching you through any slide in this session. I'm taking the Microsoft Word I've opened in my laptop, and I will type in that Microsoft Word and then tell you what mistakes you all do while creating reports or while making documents. Okay, so let's see. First of all, it has been taught font size. Here it is. You can see the different types, themes of fonts. At the same time, you can see the size of different types of font. We don't know actually the whole Microsoft Word. That's why we face problems while making report. Microsoft Word, if you know, even I don't know the full Microsoft Word, but if you know certain features of Microsoft Word, it will be easy for you to write reports. Like, first of all, in each and every report, if it is not mentioned, by default you need to choose the font Times New Roman. Whenever you writing any report, always choose the font Times New Roman, and the size of the font should be 12, standard size 12. If you are using any heading, then you can make it 14. Otherwise, for the font, it should be 12. Two settings, Times New Roman 12. Another setting, make both sides justified. I'll tell you the reason behind it. Right now, I'm not justifying it. First, I'll tell you what the error there will be. Then I'll tell you why to make it both sides justified. And then here it is. You can see line spacing. One person is unmute, mute him. Then here you can see line spacing. What is the gap between the lines? 1, 1.15, 1.5 to 2.53. Basically, by default, we take it 1.5 line spacing. Add space before paragraph, and then there are certain more things, headings, and then references. So today I'll tell you each and everything about how to write a good report, how to document a good report. Now, if I start writing something, currently it is in the center margin, as you can see, left, center, and then right. So I'll not start writing my content in the center. First, I need to make it left margin and bold is select. I'll write the content of the report not in bold. I'll write in normal. So unselect the bold and then start writing like you are writing about a company or anything. India is a developing country. Indian economy is growing at a good pace. Currently, India is facing problem of corona pandemic, like many other countries are also facing the same problem, facing the same. It will be it will be a challenge for India and other countries to overcome the after effects of COVID-19 pandemic. We should be ready to adopt technologies. So I've written 4 lines, and you can see first thing, one line is ending here, one line is ending there. So if I select the whole content, how to select, the shortcut key for selecting the whole content is Control plus A. If you have written the whole document, Control plus A, everything has been selected, even the heading. But if I want to select only my text, I can select it and then give it this type of alignment, both sides justified. If anyone unmute himself, kindly remove him from the room. So this is the both sides justified you have done to your text. And afterwards, if I see the line spacing currently is 1, then 1.5, then 1.15, then 1.5. This is the by default 1.5. In this line spacing, you can read the content. There's a spacing, at the same time the content is visible. Few reports and few journals, when you write research paper, ask you to make it 2, so you can make it 2 only if the journal is asking you. Otherwise you can make it 1.5. So now each and every line is ending at the same margin, at the same space. We have the same margin after the ending of line. So the content is looking very well structured. So that's why we do both side justification Times New Roman. The whole content will go in Times New Roman. Now if I want to give certain headings, like this comes under the headings of introduction. You are making report, there are different parts of report. Then literature review, and you have written something in literature review, some text, I'm just writing it, random typing. And then there is a third part of the of the report we call like your research methodology. You have written something in research methodology section. In the research methodology section, you want to do one more heading. Sampling. These are the terms of research which I'm using with you. Sampling method. You have written something for sampling method. Sampling method, you want to tell which types of sampling. Inside the sampling method, you want to put one more heading, types of sampling. And then you want to go to another part, analysis. Then you want to go to the further part, discussion, there will be pages for each and every heading, 20 pages, 10 pages. I'm just writing by default. So now I have different types of heading. Let's move this content to next page. 72 is selected because I have selected that heading report writing basics for 72. Let's come back to 12. Okay. So I want a table of content. At the same time, I want different of headings, different types of heading. So introduction, literature review, research methodology, analysis. These are my main heading. So first heading, you need to select introduction, and then you can go here, heading 1 in the word, heading 1. This will be your heading 1. Literature review is also your heading 1. All those main headings will come under heading 1. Research methodology is also heading 1. In the research methodology, you want to talk about types of sampling. It's a part of research methodology. So that's why I'm inscribing this heading inside research methodology. So it is heading 2. And in types of sampling, you want to, okay, sorry, before types of sampling, sampling method is in the research methodology. This is heading 2. And sampling method, then there is a types of sampling in the sampling method. So this is heading 3. So sampling method is a part of research methodology, types of sampling is a part of sampling method, and then you go for another heading, analysis. Again, it's a separate heading. Like research methodology, it's a separate part. Again, it's a heading 1. Discussion is a heading 1. And so on, your different headings will go on. So if now I tell you to create a table of content, what we do, we put the page number and then we go for the heading on which page what is written. I'll tell you automatically how to get the table of content. First, you need to go with the inserting page number, insert, and here you get header, footer, page number. Go to the page number, bottom of the page. Try to put it in the bottom of the page until it is mentioned in the report. You can choose any type of design. So there are 2 pages currently in my report. So if I put literature review on another page, so here it is, research methodology on another page, and then sampling method on another page. So in this manner, the pages can be bifurcated, and because you need to write like 10 to 20 pages for introduction, and then you will write about literature review for like 40-50 pages. And now this is our cover page. Similarly, your cover page can be different. I just make it a default cover page. You can also insert from here the cover pages and all. Here it is. You can see cover page. There are different types of designing are available for cover page. You can pick anyone and can insert it if you want. Okay. So on cover page, we never go for writing table of content. Table of content is start from the next page. So I need to move down my content to another page. Introduction. Let's move it down. So second page is open. It's blank. And if I see introduction is on second page, good. Now I want to put a table of content. So insert, there's a tab called references. Go to the references, and then here it is table of content. So go to the table of content, and then you can pick content, automatic table, table of content, automatic table 1, automatic table 2, whatever design you want. If I pick this, so here it is. It is coming on the first page because I guess my cursor was on the first page, that's why it's coming on the first page. So anyways, so you can move it down for the next page. Now if I see, introduction is the main heading, is on the third page, literature reviews on the fourth page, research methodology in the fifth page. Automatically the page numbers are coming. Sampling method is a part of research methodology, so there is a space and margin. Then types of sampling is a part of sampling method, so there is a space and margin. Again, analysis is a main heading, discussion is a main heading. So if I check the page numbers, is introduction on third page? No, it is on fourth page. But when you were inscribing that thing, that table of that time, it was on third page. So anyways, you can update it. Update the table option is there. Update page numbers only, or update the entire table. Update the entire table. Now it is as per the page numbers. The content is whatsoever page content is there, so the automatically those page numbers will come. So introduction is on page 4, it will come page 4. Literature reviews on page 5. Research methodology is on page 6. Sampling method is on page 7. So in this manner, your document will go on and on. This is and the page numbers. If you will not give page number, you will not able to make that table of content, because it will take it automatically from the page numbers. So you need to be ready with all the page numbers and all. And there is a set of references, and many of you take content from internet and all, and you directly copy that content. First of all, do not copy that content. Even if you are copying something, it should be like plagiarism should be less than 10%. Like I'll show you one example. If you are taking something from website, SMEs and Indian economy. Role, contribution, about SMEs. So you want to open it, about SMEs. If you will put directly like this, it will come, plagiarize, unless until you will reference it. So if you are taking this, as you can see how the content is written in the same form I have told you, the spacing and all, margins and all. You want to pick that content, you can take it. And then go to your document, and then you want to paste it. But when you will go for flag check, it will come plagiarized. As you can see, there is a difference in the color of the font. Many of you, what you do in the report, whenever you take any content, you do some type of paraphrasing, but you do not change the color. So there are two colors in the same report. Consistency should be maintained. Select it, and afterwards, this is what is this font theme is Open Sans, and then the font size 10.5. If I select, I'll get what it is. So I need to make it as per my report 12, and then I need to make it Times New Roman, and then I need to change the color to black. Now it is in continuation with my content, At the same time, I'll see the spacing is 1.5. Okay, it's working perfect. And if you want to put any always whenever you take any content from anywhere, do not copy it in the same form. I was just explaining you certain things, so I've copied it. Always paraphrase it. At the same time, you can, if you want to insert the footnote, you can insert the footnote. If your report is asking for footnote 37.54, if you want to put any footnote, this website you are referring, copy, and in the footnote you can copy the website. Or unless if you want to do referencing in a different manner, how to do referencing when we do literature review, what's the right right way to do literature review? In the literature review, we need to go through different types of academic resources, e-resources. So like if you are doing literature review, okay, you are taking content from Google, but Google is not a is not a reputed e-resource. So for basic your report writing and for basic research, go to Google Scholar. If you are writing something, some report is on like leadership or like manufacturing firm, SMEs, if you are writing SMEs in SMEs technology adoption, Google Scholar, you can put the keyword, and then there will be research paper started coming on your Google Scholar. If here is a timeline, if you want research papers after 2016, you can put since 2016, or you can custom range whatever that whatever the timeline you want. If I want paper between 2015 to 2020 only, so I'll make it a timeline and then search. Suppose this research paper, if the PDF is coming on the right, then you can look at the whole paper. If the PDF is not coming, then the complete text is not available to you. Like for this, complete text is not available. For the PDF, complete text is available. So always do your literature review from some some research papers when you are writing your reports, or your make it a good report, so that it can be transformed into a good research, and further you can publish it. Do not do your summer training project and all only for the sake of presenting to the teacher. If you will make a good summer internship project, then it can be published, but only if you are using your own content. You can refer when in literature you can refer several articles, several websites, but do not copy that. Always make your own content. Like I want to refer something from this paper, exploratory study of SMEs technology adoption. So exploratory study, who is talking about exploratory study? These persons are talking about exploratory studies. So like I write some line from this. Technology adoption is required for the growth of SMEs. I took this essence by reading this article. So what I will do, I'll put it in reference. How to put reference in Microsoft Word? This is a journal. This is a journal article. So always you need to go for reference. There is a tab, as I told you. Here it is reference, and in the reference you can go for insert citation. Insert citation, add new source. And then here book, if you want to refer a book, book section like a chapter, journal article in periodical. So we are referring journal article. So pick your category. Journal article. What is the title of journal article? The title of journal article is this. So you need to put all the information of the journal article here. Readiness factors. Okay, author's name. How many authors? 1, 2, 3, 4 authors are there. So first author name, copy, and then first author name. Okay, then always surname will be first, and then comma the first name. So cut surname first, comma first name. So this is the name of the first author, surname, and then comma first name, and then you need to put one more author name. Put this semicolon. You can check the video again. It will be helpful for you making your reports. Copy and then paste here. Again surname. Kumar Pal Singh, why are you requesting control? Kumar Pal Singh, why are you requesting control?
Sorry.
Then the third author. Similarly, you can paste the name of each and every author, but the format is same. First surname and then first name. Now the journal name, in which journal it has been published. Procedia Computer Science. Year of publication 2017. Pages 329 to 336. Volume is information on volume, and some journals give information on volume, some journal do not give. 124 is basically your volume, and then you can put it volume issue. So in this manner, put all the details of the journal and then okay, so it will come. So look, your references is coming in the format. It is Harvard format we have picked. First you can pick the format, either APA they will ask you, or Harvard. Only two in India we are asking for journal papers and report, APA or Harvard. So by default I have picked Harvard, and then I go to insert citation. So it is like this, your references is coming, the first name of the author and then the year. And when you do your bibliography at last, like you have referred like 20, 25 or 40, 50 articles in your paper, at the same time you can also refer the website, but you need to pick when you are picking where you were picking the journal article here. Insert citation, add new source. If you are doing taking something from website, you need to pick website, and then you need to fill all the details. Name of the web page, year accessed, on the day you are accessing that website. Like I am accessing today, so it will be 2021 September day 9. And URL of the website, what is the URL of the website? URL is this. Like if I open some website, SMEs in COVID-19. So there are different news are coming. If I want to refer any news in my literature review, take it from for your report, from journal articles, from conference paper, from websites. So if I want to refer this thing, this is the URL. Basically what we do in referencing, we put the URLs. That is not referencing, this is a part of referencing. You need to put that URL here. Name of the web page, what is the name of this web page which you are referring. This is the title you will put in the name of the web page. Year when the article got published on the website. 2020, 15 June. So I'll put a year axis 2020, month September, A9. Author who has written this. Here it is by Maria, Ruchi Sharma and Mladenov. So इन तीनों ने लिखा है मिलके. So you can put the name, copy and then put those names. But always do one thing, first surname first and first name after comma. Paste, semicolon. If you will not put semicolon, then it will take it one name as only as one name. It will not segregate it. In this manner, you can refer a website if you have taken something from website. First of all, you need to paraphrase it and then you need to refer it. So look, here the name is coming. So the reference started coming. When you see, go to the tab of manage sources, you can see if tick is coming, you have used both the things in your text. If the tick is not coming, I haven't used it in text. So at last, when you will do the referencing, it will show you that it has not been ticked. It means you have not used it in document. So whatever you are referring at last, always use it in document. So these two I have written, these two references. So it is coming. At last, when I need to put a tab after my report is complete, I need to click the tab of, what you say, insert bibliography. So references I insert. So if I click the tab of references, like I have put the two things, one is website and another is research paper. So both are coming. In this manner, your referencing will work when you do your literature review. But what students do, just put this HTTPS. This is referencing. This is not referencing, sorry. Like your teachers are also giving you certain, if guest lectures are going on, I always go through the guest lecture reports. If you see a guest lecture report, this is the content of guest lecture report, one of the report made by me. So online mode, what is the guest lecture report? What is the date of the guest lecture? Online mode, Microsoft Teams speaker. What is the theme? Subject, in which subject the guest lecture was conducted. BBA 5D, marketing, the subject name, consumer behavior, time, who was the faculty was coordinating, the name on the notice, as you have seen. Or faculty coordinator can be different, whosoever is taking that guest lecture along with you. Like yesterday, Miss Rupam was taking. So Miss Rupam Jyoti. Faculty organizer, like on the name on the notice, as you have seen my name on the notice. So faculty who has organized that guest lecture, name of the external expert and his designation, class, key learning, 5 key learnings at least, and then you will give a brief of the guest lecture. As you can see, every line is ending at the same there is a margin, 1.5 spacing. When we do not do any grammar check or spelling check, there are like blue lines and red lines. So always do grammar check and spelling check. And then the screenshot of the lecture. And after putting the screenshot, there is a tab. You do not need to write this picture by hand. There's a tab. Like here it is. Go to reference again. Insert caption. This is for referencing. If you put insert caption, this is for pictures and figures. Like picture 1. This is not a figure. This is a picture. Okay. So you want to label it. Pick picture. I've already labeled picture 1. So okay, now picture 2, because picture 1 is already labeled, it will come in series. So if you'll do picture name from here, serial number, insert caption, it will automatically come when you will make table of content. You do not need to write it. So picture 2, and then you can describe about the picture. And then at the last you will write submitted by. So here's the name of the faculty will come, whosoever is submitting. So faculty will give you a report so that for writing, so that you can learn the art of report writing. After all, it's the duty of faculty to submit you the report, submit the report to the college. So slowly start making report of guest lecture, and then you will make your own report as well for summer training. So these are like I'm reaching close to end of my session. If anyone has any doubt in the report writing, whatever I have discussed till now, because the content cannot be covered in one lecture. It's a vast thing, report writing. If I just given you a brief, now if I'll go in the detailing, what is in the introduction, what is in, then it will take much more time. That you will be able to know when you will do your summer internship project. Your mentors will tell you, but at least your basics should be clear, because if your basics is not clear, you will keep disturbing your mentors and you will keep disturbing yourself. Shreya Mehra, you want to ask anything? Shreya
Yes,
Mehra.
sir. Actually, I just want. So yes, sir, I wanted to ask that the example you gave just right now, it was for report writing only or research paper writing?
No, I have given you for documentation. Either you can use it is in report as in the research paper.
Okay.
My class is not only limited to report writing. These basics are for research paper as well as for your report writing. Anyone has written any research paper?
I have. Sir, I have.
Okay, Shreya. You can send me your research paper on my mail. I'll go through it and then I'll give you some comments. And if you're interested, you can write more research papers along with me or other faculty members.
Sir,
Okay.
I have written my research paper with one of my faculties at WIPS University, WIPS College only. And
Okay.
I have presented
So you
it
can.
in the international conference that we had there.
Okay. So you can send me the research paper. I'll go through it, and I'll tell you the future opportunities. There are many national and international conferences in the pipeline. If you are a good writer, then you can go for those conferences. I'll guide you and mentor you. Okay. My
Sure.
email is with everyone, anuj.kumar@bharatividyapit.edu. You can send me the research paper over there. Okay. Okay. Now, anyone else has any doubt regarding today's session? Today's session will not end here. You need to see the video again and again. Certain things, what tab need to pick in referencing, how to do. So that's why we do recording. By recording, the advantage of recording, you can anytime at your pace learn the things, which is not possible if you are taking a physical class. The recording some people do in physical class, but nowadays like COVID-19 has also given you an opportunity. Because of COVID-19, we all have moved towards technology and recording of lectures and all such things. So everything is certain bad things. At the same time, we can learn from each and every situation. Okay, I have sent you one message today in the morning. Let me discuss on that message. One message was there. Important information. Keep it in mind. ATKT rules. A student is allowed to carry any number of backlogs of semester 1 and 2 while going to semester 3. However, a student must clear all papers of semester 1 and 2nd, so become eligible for appearing for semester 4. If you have any backlog in first and second semester, okay, you can appear for the third semester paper, but you cannot appear for the final semester paper. For final semester paper, your all backlogs of first and second semester should be clear. Okay, so remember this thing. Many students have a confusion about this rule. So we want you to orient in the right way, right manner, so that you do not have any confusion. If you have any backlog in the second semester or the first semester, you need to clear it in the third semester only. Okay. So we are approaching towards 9:50. It's 2 minutes, and I always keep my session well in time so that the students will not feel exhausted. At the same time, we have another 1 minute. If any, I have downloaded the attendance. If anyone wants to ask anything, you can ask me. You're all the teachers, you're all the faculty members. Whosoever taken the session are the admin. You can check the name and you can add them. It is please mute yourself, whosoever it is. It is recommended to all of you save the name and numbers of faculty. Sometimes students have confusion. They start messaging faculty and they don't know the name. So these are the basic things which are expected out of you, that you will save the number of faculty members, and I have put in the attendance sheet the name of the faculty member. Slot you can take it from the timetable. I put both the timetable of week 1, timetable of week 2. You can stop the recording now.
Sir, I wanted to ask about summer internship reports.
Summer